Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A project can be technically sound and still lose money because the contract quietly assigned risk to the wrong place. If you're running a 20 MW plus plant, you can't afford for the PPA to be something only the lawyers care about. Power purchase agreements define how your revenue behaves when things go wrong, like delay curtailment policy change or underperformance. But most site teams never see the key clauses and are just told, hit this COD date or meet this availability target. Today, we will translate 5 dangerous PPA concepts into operational language so you know which data and notices actually protect your plant. First clause is delay responsibility, who carries the financial hit if the plant misses COD or long stop dates, and what counts as an excusable delay. Second is curtailment treatment. Are you compensated if the off-taker or grid operator curtails you, or is that risk on you? And how is curtailment defined? Third is change in law. If taxes, grid codes, or renewable rules change, does the contract allow price adjustments or timeline relief, or do you just absorb it? Fourth is force majeure boundaries. Which events qualify what evidence is required, and how long can they last before parties can walk away? Fifth is performance guarantees. Are there minimum output or availability thresholds? And what happens if you miss them, like liquidated damages or price step-downs? Each one of these clauses turns into very specific behaviors on site, even if nobody spells that out to you. Delay responsibility means schedule and evidence, so your site logs and correspondence with grid operators, EPCs, and regulators are the front line in proving control. Curtailment treatment means event coding, so SCADA and event logs must clearly show when you were technically available but curtailed by a third party. Change in law means keeping a record of impacts with timestamps, work orders, and performance deltas to support any request for relief. Force majeure means notices and documentation. Many contracts require formal notice within a specific time window, or you may lose protection. Performance guarantees mean measurement discipline, so availability calculations, exclusions, and maintenance windows must match the contract definitions. Imagine your plant has been curtailed repeatedly, but your SCADA tags everything as plant offline, so you have no way to prove it was curtailment. Or construction slowed because permits were held up, but your daily logs do not mention the authority instructions, and there are no saved letters or emails. The pattern is, the contract might have protections, but poor event classification, missing notices, and weak logs make those protections unusable. To fix this, you do not need to become a lawyer. You need a coordination model between legal, commercial, and operations. At the start of each project, legal or commercial should brief operations on the top 5 obligations, which events require. Notices what data must be kept and how curtailment and availability are defined. Asset management should turn that into a simple contract lens cheat sheet for site teams showing which SCADA tags, which logs, and which reports matter. Site managers should build those requirements into daily routines with event tagging standards, weekly risk reviews, and a structured archive for key correspondence. When these 3 groups are aligned, you stop leaving money on the table just because the field and the contract are speaking different languages. Contract protection does not live in the PDF of the PPA. It lives in how you operate the site and what you can prove later. Your action item is simple. Ask your legal or commercial team to walk operations through the top 5 notice obligations and risk clauses in your main PPA. Then update your logging, SCADA tags, and reporting so they actually support those clauses. If you do not connect the contract to the site, someone else will decide later how the story gets told. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.